Picture this. It's minus 20 degrees outside. It's getting dark. You're stuck somewhere in the woods or a freezing abandoned building. You start shivering. That's your body panicking, burning its last calories just to keep you warm. You have a lighter, and it seems like a simple fix. Start a fire. Problem solved. But there's a catch. Starting a fire is deadly dangerous. Smoke, smell, and light will instantly give away your position. You need to survive the night without drawing any attention. All you have is the thin jacket on your back and a bunch of everyday trash around you. Newspapers, black trash bags, duct tape. Sounds like a homeless guy's survival kit? Maybe. But today, I'm gonna show you how to use this junk to turn yourself into a polar bear and cheat the laws of thermodynamics. To defeat the enemy, you need to know how it works. Cold isn't some evil magic that seeps into your bones. In physics, the concept of cold doesn't even exist. There is only heat loss. Right now, your body is a furnace running at 36.6 degrees Celsius, and you are losing that heat in 3 ways. First, conduction. If you sit on cold concrete or snow, your heat transfers directly into the ground. Second, convection. That's the wind. It acts like an invisible brush, constantly wiping away the layer of warm air around your body. Third, radiation. You are literally glowing in the infrared spectrum, radiating heat into empty space. Your regular city jacket tries to fight this, but in extreme conditions, it gives up. We need serious armor, and this is where evolution steps in. Did you know that polar bears actually have black skin and their fur isn't white? Each hair is a hollow, transparent tube. The trick is that air is trapped inside that tube. In science, this is called dead air. Air that isn't moving is one of the worst conductors of heat in nature. A polar bear is basically wearing millions of microscopic thermoses. And right now, we're going to do exactly the same thing. Alright, our mission is to build a shield against convection, radiation, and conduction using the concept of dead air. Step 1. The base layer. Keep your t-shirt or sweater on, but it absolutely must be dry. That's critical. Step 2. Creating the voids. We take a regular newspaper, and right here is where most people make a fatal mistake. If you just wrap yourself in flat layers of paper, you will freeze. Flat paper has no air in it. The paper itself doesn't keep you warm. So what do? We crumple it up. We create that Arctic framework. These wrinkles and folds will trap the warm air coming off your body and stop it from escaping. We need a lot of these crumpled balls. Step 3. The insulator. Grab a large, heavy-duty trash bag. Cut holes for your head and arms. Put it on like a t-shirt. Now look, we've created a chamber. The crumpled newspapers are our hollow polar bear fur. They trap the dead air. And the plastic bag on top acts as an absolute barrier. It blocks the wind, convection, and reflects a portion of your radiated body heat back inside. Put your regular jacket on over this whole beautiful mess to hold it all together, but don't zip it too tight. Seems simple enough, right? You're warm. But there is a massive catch here, and if you ignore it, this suit will become your plastic coffin. Sweat. If you start moving around aggressively in this bag, running, chopping wood, you're gonna sweat. Plastic does not breathe at all. The moisture stays inside, and water conducts heat 25 times faster than air. The second you stop moving, those wet newspapers will instantly suck all the heat out of you, and you'll get hypothermia. So here is the golden rule. This suit is strictly for static situations. It's for sitting in a shelter, sleeping, or moving very slowly. If you feel like you're starting to sweat, rip the bag at the chest, use tape to create vents, and dump that heat immediately. The second mistake is compressing it. If you wear a super tight jacket over the bag, it will crush the newspaper. The dead air gets pushed out, and you freeze again. You need a little bit of breathing room between the bag and your outer jacket. Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you and pretend this is some high-tech special forces gear. This method has some serious drawbacks. First, noise. You are going to rustle with every single breath like a giant bag of potato chips. If you're hiding from someone right on the other side of a wall, they will hear you. Second, condensation. Even if you don't move, your body naturally releases moisture. After 8 to 10 hours, the newspapers will get damp just from your natural evaporation. This is a temporary fix. It'll get you through the night, but by morning, you'll have to change your insulation. Third, your limbs. This plastic shell will save your internal organs and keep your core hot, but your hands, feet, and head are still in danger. You'll need to use smaller bags and paper for your boots following the exact same principle. Let's sum it up. Physics is a tool. If you understand exactly how the cold is stealing your heat, you can use literal trash to block its paths. Crumpled paper stops conduction. A plastic bag kills convection and radiation. Knowing this principle could save your life one day when you absolutely cannot risk a fire, but giving up isn't an option. But remember, the best way to survive an extreme situation is to not get into one in the first place. Use your head before you end up in the woods at -20. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment and let me know what crazy but effective survival tricks you know. Stay safe, keep your powder dry, and your base layer warm. See ya!